Hi there, everybody. I've been getting some questions about how to set the automatic sign out time for your view board. I think the default is 1 hour, and that's been causing some issues. So let's take a look at how you can set that up. So right off the hop, we want to go to myviewboard.com and log in with your Google account. It should remember you. In here, there's lots you can do. I don't want to go into all the different tiles here. I think you probably don't have all these tiles. You'll probably have a few of them. But what I really want to show you is the settings. So let's go up to your top corner here. And we want to go to follow me. This is really important. You get all sorts of types of settings, and when you log in with your Google account, it will remember those settings and apply them to the viewboard they happen to be using. All right, so you'll notice right off the hop here, the first thing are settings, and you can see right here auto sign out right there. And of course there you can actually pick how many hours you would like to do. It even has a never on there. So that's something you can consider. If you have multiple people coming through your room and using your board, you will not probably just want to keep it at 1 hour. However, if you are the only person in your room, you may want to check out something a little bit longer. Okay, so that's one way you can do it. And also notice that you have all sorts of other types of settings. You can set your font size, color, your thin tip setting, and your thick tip setting. Remember, those pens have a thick and a thin, and you can change those. And then also along the left-hand side here, you can do cloud integration. You can make sure that you're hooked in with your Google Drive, Google Classroom if you want. If you don't see it hooked in there, you can just click the bind button. Notice it says unbind, but we want to bind it. You can also put in backgrounds if you so desire. There's all sorts of different backgrounds you could put in there if you want. You could even put a color in as a background. I know some people like just putting in a color, so you can just pick a color. Perhaps you want to do more of a black color, and that will be your background all the time. Okay, so you can play around in there, and there's the magic pen and shape pen, but there's some really cool things you can do with that. But the biggest one is that setting the logout time. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.